The most amazing examples of engineers changing the world are things that the world didn't even know they needed and really changed the way we go about our everyday life.
Everything is underpinned by engineers. Anything that an engineer does has some impact on changing the world to some degree and progressing a lot of the technology forward to make everybody's life better, and in some cases, saving their lives.
Getting to become an engineer has made me realise that it's actually really possible to make those things that I wanted to invent a reality.
As an engineer, you can be in the detailed design of how to make an aeroplane or a car, all the way through to project management. QUT takes a very hands-on approach to engineering. You can work together with your peers to learn the theory, but also work with industry to solve real-world problems.
You get to make things, build things, design things, and we have so many resources here, like the QUT Centre for Robotics.
QUT is the #1 place in Australia to study robotics. You have access to fantastic facilities. We see some really nice laboratory spaces. So we have unmanned vehicles that can go underwater and help the coral reef. We've got unmanned drones that can help understand our land use patterns better.
So my experience at QUT is helping me to prepare for my future career, because not only am I getting soft skills by being a part of the clubs and getting to talk, I'm also getting those industry connections, going out to networking events. I applied for the Boeing summer internship, and then I got the internship there, and I worked there over the summer. That industry experience changed the way I view engineering. It changed the way I code.
There's huge growth in engineering over the next 10 years. Australia is going to be investing $120 billion into infrastructure. We need lots of engineers to fill the need.
The mindset of an engineer is one that's really based in curiosity for me. It's one that's all about problem solving, that loves puzzles, that loves challenges. The world we live in is changing at a pace that is hard to keep up with, and engineering is that special sauce in the middle that really connects things together.